Hello everyone. Welcome back to the X Markets. Continuing the video series guiding the use of the MT5 platform on Exness. In this video, I will guide you on how to execute trading orders. The MetaTrader 5 platform provides us with more trading orders than the MetaTrader 4 platform. The new orders provided here help us optimize our trading strategy better. Specifically in the video, I will introduce you to how to execute these trading orders as well as the solution for you to apply these orders to get the best trading results and optimize your strategy. This is the Exness Market channel, where we provide the most useful information about trading activities on the Exness platform. We are a leading development partner of Exness. If you're new to Exness Market, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. You'll find the registration guide and the latest Exness updates in the video description and pinned comment. Besides this channel, you can also visit our Exness Market website to explore more about Exness. The MetaTrader 5 trading platform provides us with a total of 8 orders, including 2 direct market orders at the current market price and 6 pending orders. The 2 direct market orders at the current market price are buy and sell orders. The 6 pending orders are buy limit, buy stop limit, sell stop, and sell stop limit. Before learning how to execute these orders, we will first look at how these orders work and how we can apply them effectively in our trading strategy. First, let's learn about the market order group, which includes buy and sell orders. Regarding a buy order, when observing the product chart, we realize that there is a very high probability that the product's price will continue to rise in the future. And the current price of the product is already a good price. So we can immediately execute a buy order. And when we buy like that, if the product's price indeed goes up, the order will be profitable. And if we buy but the product's price goes down, the order will lose, and we will lose money. In case we anticipate that the product's price will likely go down, and the current position is already a good position, then we can proceed to execute a sell order immediately. And if the product's price indeed goes down, the order will be profitable. And when we execute a sell order but the product's price goes up, the order will lose. Thus, we will execute market orders when the current price is a good price. Next are the pending orders. First is the group of pending buy orders, which includes buy limit, buy stop, and buy stop limit. Regarding a buy limit order, this order will help us wait to buy at a price lower than the current market price. For example, we have a product price chart like this, and currently, the product's price is at the horizontal line above. I calculate that there is a very high probability that the product's price will go down a bit further, then hit a support level below and bounce up. So, in this case, I will wait for a buy limit order below. And when placing a buy limit order like that, I will place it a little higher than this support level to make it easier to fill the order. And I will place a stop loss position below. If the product's price indeed goes down and touches the price level we set for buy limit, that buy limit order will turn into a buy order. And if the product's price indeed continues to go up, this order will be profitable. And if the price continues to go down, the order will lose, and we will hit stop loss. As for the buy stop order, we also expect the product's price to go up. But why don't we buy at the current price? Instead, we wait for it to go up and then buy at the top? Specifically, the reason is this. Looking at the left side, at the past of the product, we see that there is a quite strong resistance level. And we calculate that if the product's price goes up but does not break above this resistance level, then it is highly likely to go down further. But if it breaks above this resistance level, then there is a very high probability that it will continue to go up. So, in this case, we will proceed to place a buy stop order. And the price level we set for buy stop can be slightly higher than the resistance level on the left side to account for the possibility that the price will move up decisively. And when the price goes up like that, breaking through our pending buy price, this order will turn into a buy order. And if the price indeed goes up as expected, the order will be profitable. In case the price goes up for a while and then goes down, this order will lose. In situations where the price moves like this, there are many cases where the price goes up a bit, breaks above the level we set for buy stop, then turns back down, and goes down somewhere below before going up again. It is clear that in such a case, the buy stop order is not an optimal order. So the MetaTrader 5 platform developers have introduced a new order, which is the buy stop limit order. You can see that the buy stop limit order has a structure like this. When we place a buy stop limit order, we will set two price levels. One is the activation price, and two is the stop limit price. Of course, there are also stop loss and take profit levels. But these two levels are important and must be set first. First, let's talk about the activation price. As I said, this order overcomes some of the disadvantages of the buy stop order, which is, if the price goes up, touches the price level above, but does not go up immediately, but goes down, and we expect it to go down for a while and then go up again. If we calculate like that, we will place a buy stop limit order. For the stop limit order, first, we will set the activation price, which is the price level above. When the product's price truly goes up and breaks slightly above the activation price, our buy stop limit order will turn into a buy limit order. And the position where we buy limit is exactly the position where we set the stop limit price, meaning the price level below will turn into a buy limit order. And if the product's price indeed goes down and touches this stop limit price before going up, this order will turn into a buy order. And our buy position will be at the position below, not at the position above like the buy stop order. And when we buy at this position, it is clear that the order will have an advantage. But there are also cases where the price moves too strongly. It goes up like this and breaks up directly. Then it is clear that when it moves like that, our buy stop limit order has not turned into a buy order yet. But it is still a buy limit order at the position below. As a result, we will not make a profit. And if the price moves quickly like that, it is clear that the buy stop order has the advantage. So, there are differences between these two buy stop orders that you need to pay attention to. For the group of pending sell orders, the operation is completely similar to the group of pending buy orders. It just follows the opposite trend. Regarding a sell limit, it is a pending sell order at a price higher than the current market price. We calculate that the price goes up, hits resistance, then goes down, so we will place a sell limit order here. However, if we calculate that the product's price will likely go down immediately, and it can only go down if it breaks below a certain support level below, then we will place a sell stop order at a position slightly lower than that support level. However, if the price goes down somewhere below, without touching the sell stop level, and then goes up directly, our order will not be filled, and we will not lose money at that time. As for the sell stop limit order, it works in reverse compared to the buy stop limit order, which is, when the price goes down, touches the activation price, the position above, the stop limit price position, will turn into a sell limit order. And if the price indeed turns back and then continues to move, that sell limit order will turn into a sell order. And at that time, we will have a better sell position compared to this position. Regarding how we can execute trading orders, we have two ways to proceed. One is to perform operations directly on the product's display space like this. And two is to use the new order button. The new order button is in the standard bar. I will guide you on the fastest way to execute it, which is to perform operations directly on the display screen like this. However, if we operate directly on the product's display screen like this, we can only execute 6 orders, while the 2 additional orders, the buy stop limit order and the sell stop limit order, can only be placed in the new order section. So, I will guide you on how to quickly execute trading operations first. First, let's execute market orders. To execute market orders, first, from the product tab you want to trade, you will adjust the trading volume in the middle box above. For example, I will adjust the trading volume to 0.1. Next, if I want to execute a sell order, I will click the sell button. If I want to execute a buy order, I will click the buy button. For example, I will click the sell button. And this is the first time I click the sell button. So this window appears, and here I will click I accept. I click OK. The window allows us to trade with one click. Now I will click the sell button again. And from now on, when I want to trade, I just need to click once on the corresponding button here, and I will be able to execute trading orders. With a sell order, we execute it by clicking this button. I have not yet set take profit and stop loss for this order, and I want to adjust these 2 values. So I can double click here to adjust the specific values in this section. Or I can click on the order line displayed on the screen and drag and drop it to the desired position. It is a sell order. So when I click on it and drag it up, it will set the stop loss position for me. And when I click on it and drag it down, it will set the take profit position for me. Orders are displayed in the toolbox section. You can also directly adjust the stop loss or take profit positions by double-clicking on the box below. Then modifying the information again. Then clicking Modify. And you will be able to modify the trading order in this section. When we execute trading orders, these arrows appear, which are quite difficult to see. We will remove this display. To remove this part, right-click on the screen and select Trade History here. So, we have removed the arrow part. If you don't turn off that arrow part, it will display the order position we have traded as well as the position where we take profit or stop loss. In general, it will display many spots on the screen, which is quite confusing, so we should remove that part. So, that's how we execute direct market orders at the current market price. Now, what if we want to place pending orders? To adjust the trading volume for a pending order when we quickly operate here, we will also adjust it in the box above. For example, I will adjust it to 0.2. Next, if I want to execute pending orders with the syntax that the position is higher than the current market price, I will move the mouse pointer upwards. Then right-click on the screen. Here, you can see that we can place a sell limit or you can go to the trading section. You see here we have the buy-stop order. So, the sell limit order or the buy-stop order are both orders placed with a price position higher than the current market price. So we move the mouse pointer upwards to create such orders. However, if you want to execute a buy limit order or a sell stop order, meaning orders executed with a price level lower than the current market price, then we will move the mouse pointer downwards. Then right-click on it. Select buy limit or sell stop. When we place a pending order like this, we can also click on it and drag and drop it to the desired position. If you want to adjust the stop loss or take profit position for this pending order, you can also double-click on it to modify it. And after modifying, you click Modify, or you can delete this order at any time you want. And you can perform the operation of deleting an order by finding the toolbox section below. Clicking the X button on the right. I will also turn off this order immediately. So, that's how we execute 6 orders similar to the orders available in the MetaTrader 4 platform. Now, we will proceed to execute orders by using the New Order button. Click the New Order button above. Here, if in the Type section you leave it as Instant Execution, it will execute direct market orders at the current market price. And to execute those orders, you will adjust the trading volume here. Next, you click Sell or Buy to place the corresponding sell and buy orders. If you want to place pending orders, you will change the Type section to Pending Order, and in the Type section below, you can click on it, and you will see that the Buy Stop Limit Order or the Sell Stop Order are located below. And above there are 4 traditional pending orders that we already know, which are Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop, and Sell Stop. It is very important to note that when we execute trading orders by using this table, we need to set the price levels according to the correct syntax required by that order. For example, here, if you execute a buy limit order, you need to set a price level lower than the current market price. However, if you set a higher price level above, the order will not be executed. For example, if the price level above is 1.065, then if I modify it here to 1.065, you see that the place button below is hidden. It does not allow us to place a pending order with such a price level. If I modify that price level downwards, for example, 1.056, then we can place the order. Similarly, when you place a buy stop limit order or a sell stop limit order, you also need to set the price level and stop limit price level correctly according to the syntax required by that order. And how the order's syntax is, I have introduced it to you in the previous section. So, we will have the stop limit price level which is smaller than the price level in case we place a buy stop limit order. While if we place a sell stop limit order, the stop limit price level will need to be higher than the price level. Thus, I have finished guiding you through the operations to execute trading orders on the MT5 Exness platform and introduced you to how to apply these orders. I hope the information I provided is useful to you. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to give the video a like and click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to receive the latest videos when the channel releases them.